Hey guys, it's Ziya. Welcome back to my channel. Recently, I was in a video where my hair was curled, and I want to show you guys how I like to curl my hair. This is one of my favorite ways. I also like to do heatless curls, but today I'm going to show you guys how I use this guy right here. This is from Bedhead, and it's the tapered curling wand, and this one has these little textured diamonds on it. Looks really neat, and the reason I like this one is because the texture helps my hair stay on it, because I've used smooth ones before, and having long hair, it's hard to maneuver it around a tapered wand and keep it on there at the same time. I also like to spray my hair with heat protectant, which I've already done. I left it in my bathroom, but it's the Tresemme one in the black bottle with the little red nozzle thingy. Yeah, I use that. I also use some of these. I like to use these to hold my hair up while I let it cool. And if I run out of those, or if I need to, I'll use some of these little flat ones right here, which I don't like as much. Sometimes they get tangled up in my hair, but I use them just in case I need them. You can also use bobby pins to hold your hair up. And yeah, I'm just gonna get started. So first thing I do, of course, is spray my hair with heat protectant, if I've already done that. And then I start to section my hair, part it in half, and then take this upper section right up here. This is about a 2-inch section or so. I'm going to just twist this part, clip it, and throw it back. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. What I used to do was horizontally part it and then put it in a bun, and then put another horizontal part, put that in a bun, do another horizontal part and put that in a bun, but that used to just take me so much time to do, so I've just started doing this, and it works just the same way, and it's basically doing the same thing but without all the prep time. Now that I have that done, you can see my hair still has some curl to it because I curled it like 2 days ago. So I'm going to take a small section. I take like medium to medium small sections, you know what I mean? So I'm going to take this section of hair, and instead of laying it flat like you see on my finger, I'm not going to lay it flat and then lay it flat again. What I'm going to do is start laying it on the wand, but I'm going to let it kind of roll. You see? So you see it's not going to turn into like a Shirley Temple curl, it's going to be more of a spiral. So I'm going to leave this on here. For me, I usually do about 15 seconds. I know some people just do 5. I do not. I do 15. Or if I'm listening to music or something, I'll just touch my finger to my hair once in a while to see if the heat is coming through. And as soon as I feel enough heat coming through, I just let it go. Kind of have to shake it off of here because the texture holds it on so well. Put my finger through it. See, I'm holding it all. And tuck the little end in, roll it up, and put a little pin in it, or not a pin, a clip in it, just to clip it and hold it in place because I don't like to babysit my hair and hold it forever. So I'm going to do the exact same thing to this side. The only downside about this curling wand is that it doesn't have a heat control. It just turns on to its max heat, which I believe is 450. I might be wrong. I feel like it's 450, but I might have to double check that. So I pretty much do this all the way around. Hair in my mouth. Like I was saying, I pretty much do this all the way around. If you want to have a more irregular type of curl and give it even more volume, you can alternate the way that you curl your hair. I always do it away from the face, but you can also do one side away and then one towards. That gives you like more volume and makes it so that your curls don't stick together at the end of the day. But I kind of like how all of it kind of just goes in one direction. So this is basically how I do my whole head. I'm going to jump to when I actually do my shorter areas so that you can see how I do that. Alright, now I'm at the front working on these little shorter sections. They're not quite bangs because they are so long. Anyway, what I do is finger comb it or brush it or comb it all the way forward depending on what I have near me. And I take this center section, put that to the side, put that to the side. Going to put a few clips into the side ones just to keep it separated. I'm going to horizontally section this section. It doesn't have to be perfect, but this is just what I do. And I'm going to do this backwards. I can't see what I'm doing, but hopefully you guys can. Just gonna hold it on here. I usually do my bangs a little less than 15 seconds, maybe 10, sometimes 5 if I take sections that are small enough. And come on, come off of there. Is it coming? Is it? I can't see. I'm going to just do the exact same thing that I've been doing. Here is when I like to take one of these and just hold it flat against my scalp and put it on. I'm going to do the same thing with this front portion. I just pinned it to the top of the other curl that I already had going on. Now for my side sections that are also shorter, I'm going to just curl it the same way that I was doing the rest of my hair. And that is the same technique that I use all over my head. So I'm just going to finish the rest of this up and I'll be right back. Okay, I have all my hair curled. It's all pinned up and I'm gonna do my makeup while I sit over here looking like Winifred Sanderson from Hocus Pocus. Twins. I'm going to do my makeup and let this sit in my hair, and then I just take it all down. So once I have my face on, I'll come back, I'll show you how it looks once I take it down. Alright guys, I'm back and I'm ready to take all my hair down. So literally all I do is start pulling out all of the clips, and sometimes my hair can get a little bit tangled up in them because there are so many of them. But it's not that hard to take them out. Just gotta start, just gotta start and be careful with it. So I always start from the bottom and then this happens. See? Tangled in the hair. If you are more careful than me or have less hair, then this should not be an issue. That's how I get these curls. Also, you can put some hairspray on, finishing spray, whatever you like. I don't feel like doing that. I usually don't. But this is how I get these curls. I don't like the bangs to be like overly curly. I try to like pull those out a little bit because I feel like if they're too curly, then they just look a little weird on me. It definitely makes my hair look 100 times shorter, but I don't mind it. I deal with it. It's fine. So that's everything. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. If you have not already, I put out new videos every Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So if you guys stick around for those, because I'd love to have you as part of my tiny little growing YouTube family. Also, don't forget to hit that little bell icon down below so that you can keep up with all these videos. And that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.